What's up, guys? So 00 token, or Pools.io token, recently added on Coinbase overnight, almost kind of sneakily added on Coinbase. And in this video, I'm just going to break down the chart for you guys. You can see that 00 token is actually now, or Pools.io token is actually now on TradingView. So the Coinbase chart is now on TradingView, so we can actually get some analysis in here and possibly even a price prediction for 00 token. Right now, like I said, it was added on Coinbase. It's up a whopping juicy amount on Coinbase. CoinMarketCap, let me refresh this, but CoinMarketCap is only showing about okay, that's what I thought. We're up 53% on CoinMarketCap, and 00 token, guys, is basically like, it's a project that is helping content creators create social tokenized communities, right? So basically helping content creators create their own social tokens. And apparently they are going to have a lot of different things coming out. So, I mean, I think it's a great idea. Now, obviously, this will not be financial advice, just my opinion, what's going on with this. You know, when you come over to the About section, I mean, there's not a lot, you know, there's really just not a lot going on here yet on their website. I mean, as far as the website goes, I mean, it's like, it's basically, it's very just bland. I mean, there's some things going on, right? There are some things going on, like when you come over and you can join. I have not joined, right? I've not created an account, but you can create an account if you would like to do that, right? You can even join using your Coinbase account. And I've actually not bought any yet, but I am thinking about it based on the way the chart is currently looking, guys. I mean, we are definitely looking like, on the Coinbase chart for 00 token, it looks like we are trying to break to the upside, okay? We talked about this in our live stream from last night. If you haven't seen that, go check it out, because we did go over this token last night in the live stream and did some TA on it in the live stream last night as well. But, you know, we were looking at that $1.15 resistance, and the $1.15 resistance is definitely trying to be broken here. This morning, you know, a lot of people probably waking up this morning and seeing this thing up a considerable amount and thinking, you know, what's really going on with it? You know, should I jump into this? A lot of people probably might be jumping into this. If you look at where it's at right now in the price action, you can see that we are looking fairly juicy, guys. It does look like it wants to run here. Now, like I said, not financial advice. Take that with a grain of salt. This is a brand new token on Coinbase, so anything could happen. Is the Coinbase effect, the Coinbase pump effect, still in effect? Even during a bear market, could we still get a big pump from this coin? We're going to find out, but first, let's go ahead and do some quick TA on this, see if we can't get a price prediction, possible areas of resistance, and possible bullish targets, as well as our bearish support levels and targets to look at as well, in case we do get a dump in. So basically, we are going to keep this on the 15-minute time frame, since there is limited price action here for 00 token, or Pools token. I don't really know what we call this thing. Do we call it 00 token? Do we call it Pools.io token? I'm not really sure. But let's go ahead and get our resistance and, you know, get all this in here and see what exactly we are doing, because it does look like to me that we are testing our resistance pretty nicely here. We just actually recently, on this current 15-minute candle, wicked up above the resistance, trying to break the downtrend. So we're already putting in a downtrend, right? Beautiful touches here. Nice touches, nice pullbacks on each touch. So that's a good confirmation of this. And now we are again trying to confirm this downtrend resistance, or trying to break through it here. Let's go ahead and put in our support and see where this gets us, and just see what's going on with this. You know, could we be looking at possibly something besides just this falling channel? You know, we were absolutely looking at the possibility of some different types of patterns on our other chart last night. So make sure you go check that out for sure on the live stream. But what we're looking at here, in my opinion, we do have a falling channel, but we also sort of have a descending wedge pattern trying to play out. What we're going to do is go ahead and extend this on out here. And if we do extend this on out, keep our touches lined up, then we extend the support on out here. You can see we do have lots of support, minus the little fake out we had right here below the support. Still a good amount of confirmation on that support. So what we do have is a descending wedge or descending triangle pattern trying to play out on the 15-minute for 00 token. Now, if we look, we are above some key moving averages. We're above the LSMA, we're above the 50. We are above some very key moving averages here on the 15-minute time frame, as the moving averages are starting to form here on this new token that's just newly listed on Coinbase. So As far as the new Coinbase coins, there was another coin, PNG coin. This coin does seem to be performing very well. PNG coin was listed recently, but it's been a little bit. So what we're looking at is the possibility for this this resistance to hold. If this resistance does hold, we could expect a pullback down to the POC right there at $1, about $1.02, $1.05, or we could pull all the way back down to the support, and that's going to line us up with about 95 cents down here at the support level. And we could get that little bit more of consolidation before getting a break. If we do break to the downside, then we would have our line of support from the channel to look at for a bounce. So we'd be looking at this area here for a bounce on that support, and that's going to put you down around about 80 cents. Now, I do have a target, a measure move target, price target for 00 token to the downside of about 68 cents. If we do not manage to stay above $1.15 and break $1.20, then there's still the possibility that we could actually come on back down to about 68 cents. However, if we continue breaking to the upside here, and we do hold this uptrend trajectory here, we should be looking at coming up to around the $1.60. That would be the upside target. Now, there is a little bit of resistance coming in at about $1.45. We can go ahead and put in our resistance levels here at about $1.45. Definitely be watching that for a little bit of resistance coming in there. And then we do have a little bit more. We are testing that resistance here at about $1.25. Pretty much testing that right there near $1.25. But it's looking pretty good. We are definitely looking fairly good here. Now, let me do something real quick. Drop it to the, let's drop it down to the 5 minute. All right, there we go. Drop it down to the 5 minute. Because I want to look at this most recent price action right here to see what we got going on the short term. So you can see we are just really testing this downtrend resistance, right? You are really testing your downtrend resistance here very nicely. If this downtrend resistance could break, right, I mean, this is very significant resistance. So if we could get a confirmed break of this resistance, then absolutely this thing is going to pump. This thing is going to run, guys, in my opinion. So keep that in mind. If we do not break the resistance, if we don't get above this POC here, and we don't get above some of this previous resistance here and stay above it and confirm above it and hold above it, then there's still that possibility we come on down to fill this out some more before actually taking off. So keep that in mind. Now, what I'm going to do is go ahead and just put in a measurement here of this falling channel. We're going to get an idea based off the falling channel measure move to see where this could go based off of this target. Now, like I said, if you want to see why I have a 68 cent bearish target and a $1.60 target to the upside for 00 token or Pools token, then definitely go check out our live stream from last night where we did some TA before it was even on TradingView, guys. We were doing the TA on the Coinbase chart on the Coinbase website before it was even on TradingView. We were last night busting it out, trying to see what was going to happen with this. I'm still on the fence with it, whether or not I'm going to buy yet. However, this does look very nice for a primed up for a reversal to the upside. I would say that if you break that $1.20 area, between $1.15 and $1.20 is some major resistance here, it seems like. I do believe once you get above that, we should be ready to run because of the way this looks, right? It's very, very much so looking like the possibility of a reversal after topping out here and getting our pullback in. It's looking like a reversal. So the measure move here for this falling channel is going to be about $1.62. Guys, $1.62. So not only the measurements from our patterns from last night telling us we should be paying attention to $1.60 to the upside, but also the measurement of the falling channel is also pointing to that $1.60 price range for 00 token. So we're looking at that $1.60 range to the upside. And if you look at our previous the previous highs here, that's at $1.66, right? Your high is at $1.66, and our targets are pointing up to a retest of those highs, and I think that's a likely possibility for 00 token after being recently listed on Coinbase. I mean, we haven't seen a coin get listed on Coinbase and pump decently in a while, really, not like this, right? So we might get a little bit of a bear market FOMO set in, right? Some people that are just tired of getting butchered in the bear market and they see this happening, they're like, they don't want to miss out. We might get a little FOMO action in. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and smash up the like and hit the subscribe if you love crypto. You're in the right place. I appreciate you guys watching. Definitely let me know in the comment section about this token. Like, did you buy it? You know, did you make some money on it? Did you already buy it and get out? You know, what's your plans? Because like I said, I'm still on the fence with it. I'm thinking about maybe dropping $100 at it and just see what it do. You know, I'm not sure yet. The idea behind the token, I like the idea behind the token, right? You know, helping content creators create their own social tokens and tokenized communities, you know, sort of like our token, our community-driven token, AJC token, that's up over 20,000% since launch. Check it out. Links in the description. Have a great day, guys. I will see you in the next one.